Do you ever feel like learning English is too hard? Do you ever ask yourself, why am I not improving? Do you feel shy or nervous when you try to speak? Or do you study for a long time, but still feel like nothing changes? If yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Many English learners around the world feel the same way. But here's the truth. The biggest problem is not grammar or vocabulary. The biggest problem is what happens inside your mind. Your mind can be your best friend or your biggest enemy. If you think, I can't do this, your brain will believe it. But if you say, I can learn step by step, your brain will help you. Many learners stop speaking because they are afraid. Afraid of mistakes. Afraid of what people will say. Afraid of sounding wrong. But here's something important. Mistakes are not bad. Mistakes are your teachers. Every time you make one, you learn something new. Think about a child learning to walk. The child falls many times but never says, I give up. The child keeps trying until walking feels easy. English is the same. If you keep going, one day speaking will feel natural too. Don't try to be perfect. Nobody speaks perfect English, not even native speakers. They also make small grammar mistakes or forget words sometimes. So don't wait for the perfect moment. It will never come. Just start speaking now, even if it's not perfect. Focus on small progress. One new word a day, one short video, one small conversation. These small steps build a big change over time. It's better to study a little every day than a lot only once a week. 10 minutes a day is enough if you do it again and again. Just like watering a plant. If you water it a little every day, it grows strong. Now, here's a small secret. Start thinking like an English speaker. Don't say, I'm learning English. Say, I speak English. You may not be perfect yet, but when you believe it, your mind becomes stronger. You stop feeling shy. You start feeling proud. Also, make English part of your daily life. Listen to English songs. Watch short videos or movies with subtitles. Read small stories or news. Talk to friends, even in simple sentences. The more you hear and use English, the faster your brain learns it naturally. And when you feel tired or lazy, remember this: every small effort matters. Even watching one English video or learning one new phrase today brings you closer to success. Don't compare your English with others. Compare it with your past self. If you are better than yesterday, you are winning. Learning English is not only about your mouth or your memory, it's about your mindset. If your thoughts are positive, your learning becomes faster and easier. So today, promise yourself one thing. Never give up. Speak even if you're scared. Learn even if it's slow. Believe even if you're not perfect yet. Because English success starts in your mind. When your mind believes, your English succeeds.